Technology has become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping the way we communicate, work, and live. From smartphones to smart homes, our world is now interconnected through various technological advancements. Fostering convenience and efficiency, technology has revolutionized industries such as healthcare, transportation, and entertainment. With the Internet of Things, IoT, we now have the ability to connect and control devices remotely, enhancing our comfort and productivity. Furthermore, artificial intelligence, AI, has paved the way for countless possibilities, with machines mimicking human intelligence and performing tasks with astonishing accuracy and speed. However, the rapid progression of technology has also raised concerns about privacy and security, as we become more vulnerable to cyber threats and data breaches. Nonetheless, it is undeniable that technology has significantly improved our lives, offering countless opportunities for growth and innovation.